Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be talking to you about the Budwah Wah pedal. This is just an excellent wah pedal all around if you're looking for one. I know the guys over at Budwah, the guys that manufacture this pedal, wanted kind of a good mix of all the best features of wah pedals out there. And I used to have a Dunlop Crybaby, which, it's a pretty standard pedal, although it's just, I don't know, there's something about it that it was just too harsh in my board and it didn't really sound as nice as I wanted it to. And that's when I found out about Budwah pedals, picked this up. I've had it on my board for about 2 years now, and I really love it. It's just a great all-around wah pedal and very simple. And so I'll kind of tell you a little bit about it. So like I said, very simple, very simple wah pedal, which is what I like about it the most. You simply, like with most pedals, you plug it in, your guitar into the input, out the output into the amp, and you're pretty much solid. It does run on 9 volt battery or 9 volt DC. So you do have those options if you want. The way to turn it on is once you have it powered, you just fully depress it, and there you go. You hear that little click, and then you'll know that it's on. So really simple click on and off. There are no extra knobs or anything. I know some wah pedals these days have EQs or volumes or things like that. This does not have any of those, which some people might like that extra flexibility to be able to adjust the volume or turn down the highs or lows or whatever. I like that this is just simple. It's just a wah. It does what it's supposed to do, without any extra fancy attributes to it. So, it's just a wah. As for the build, this thing is incredibly tough. It's a nice die-cast steel construction. Really shiny, has a good weight to it. So I always judge the cheapness of things by their weight, especially when it comes to pedals. If I feel like I can just pick it up and it's nothing, then it just feels cheap to me. It feels plasticky. This one feels like it's built to play and built to play well. It also just has a very, even though it's got that tough sort of feel to it, it's very smooth, just all the way up and down, though on your foot especially. Very smooth angle from low to high. Very responsive. And then also on top you have this ribbed kind of rubber grip, which is cool. It just helps your foot to stay on nicely, not slide around, especially if you're really going at it. And lastly, you got the nice little Buddha decal at the top, which is also made with that steel, and then I assume painted purple or something. Really nice all around. Just feels like a great quality build. The sound, very nice focus on the top end of the sound. I think that's what Budwah Budda. I think that's what they were going for, was a nice focus on the top end. So there's it's really sheen top end, and it's not too nasal or nasty, which I feel like a lot of these wah pedals get to be super nasty at the top. See, and it doesn't pop through too much, and then it also doesn't get really honky at the bottom either. Kind of retains a really nice sound the whole way through, and it sweeps just very smoothly from low to high. You never feel like there's a cut or pop in the filter. It's just really nice and smooth. You can really go through the entire frequency range and hear everything that you need to hear. It's great if you use clean or drive. Sometimes I'll put my drive pedals before it. Sometimes I'll just do it clean. I love the sound so much of just the pedal, so I love going clean. Yeah, and just all around, it's an awesome wah pedal. Honestly, worth every penny. I would pick this over a Dunlop Crybaby in a heartbeat, and I really hope that Budda and the Budwah pedal kind of gets out there more, because I think it's just an awesome pedal and really deserves more recognition. So yeah, have fun getting funky. Later.